Get ready to fall in love with your curls all over again. The Kozma Curl Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner is here and ready to take your curl care to the next level. With its nourishing ingredients and revolutionary lightweight formula, your curls are in for a treat. Your curls deserve a bit of extra love when you style. The Kozma Curl Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner will enhance wash day, adding a boost of self-care to your styling routine without weighing your curls down. The heavenly scent of jasmine isn't the only thing you're gonna love. This lightweight leave-in conditioner gives a kiss of silky softness while protecting and nourishing with natural active ingredients such as argan oil, Japanese flower seed oil, green tea seed oil, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, pomegranate extract, and raspberry ketone. This product is for all curl types. With our convenient grab-and-go design, simply pop the top and squeeze. This leave-in is designed to be lightweight to complement your styling routine perfectly, allowing you to layer your styling products on top without weighing the hair down. Start with clean, wet hair. Distribute evenly into both hands and work through hair, avoiding the scalp area. Do not rinse. It can be used to help detangle. If you are using styling products, apply the Kozma Curl Nourishing Leave-In first, and then layer your styling products over. Diffuse dry using the Kozma Curl Universal Diffuser. The result? Happy, healthy, beautiful curls.